Welcome back to another learning video. In today's video, we are going to learn about introduction to percentages, a concept you see everywhere from shopping discounts to exam marks. Percentages are all around us, and that's why they are the most important one, for a day, based on a day-to-day life. So first thing you should know, what is a percentage. Okay, so what do you mean by this? So percentage, it's a comes from a Latin word which is a percent, which means out of 100 or per 100. So percent means per 100. Okay, it is a simpler way of writing any number out of 100, a number out of a 100. Okay, so percentage is a way of expressing a number as a part of 100 or out of 100. Now for example, 80% means 80 out of 100. 60% means 60 out of 100. Now how can you write this? What are the formula you can use? So part divided by whole multiply by 100. Now how you will do a justification to this? So let's just say, for example, you have scored 20 marks. Sorry, let's just say you have scored 18 marks. Let's just say I have scored 18 marks out of 20. So 20 is a whole and 18 is a part. And I want to find now a percentage, how much I have got. So what I will do, I will multiply this, what percentage I have got. So I will multiply this with 100. Okay, so this 0 will get cancelled out. 2 and 18, they comes in 2 stable. So 2 ones are 2, 9s are 18. Now downside is 1, which is of like no use. And 10 into 9, so I'll multiply, I'll get 90. So 90% I have got in a particular test. Okay, so in this way you can use the percentages. Now how can you convert percentages, like from like fraction to percentage, from decimal to percentage, from percentage to a decimal? How can you convert them? So first here, from fraction to percentage, how can you, just now in the previous one we have like solved. Now suppose if you have got 18 out of 20, so how can you find a percentage? So I have simply divided 18 with 20 and then multiply the answer with 100. Okay, so for example, as you can see over here also, I am having 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2, when you will simplify it, you will get 0.5 and then multiply this with 100, so you'll get 50%. Okay, then next, from decimal to percentage. Now if you are having a decimal value with you and you want to convert that value into a percentage, so what you will do, in a simple way, you will just move decimal 2 places to the right side. How? Let's see, you are having 0.75. okay, so what you will do, I'll show you like this, 0.75. so you will multiply this with 100. So when you are multiplying this with 100, this decimal point will get shifted 2 times to the right side. So this is 1 time, this is 2 times. So my answer will be what? It will be 75%. Okay, so like this way you can convert a decimal into a percentage in a very simple and a easy manner. Okay, now next and the last we have with us is a percentage to a decimal. So it's very easy. If you have to move the decimal 2 places to the left side. Okay, for example, if you are having 25%, now how can you write this 25%? So you can write 25 divided by 100 out of 100, right? So now downside 20 I am having downside. So what I will do, I will move the decimal point to the left side. How many times? 2 times, because I am having 2 zeros. So 1 time, 2 times. So my answer will be 0.25. So in this way you can do a conversion in a very easy and a quick way. I hope till now you have understood. So in real life, where can you use the percentages? So first thing, you can see shopping discounts. 20% off means you are paying only 80%. Let's just say if 50% off is there, so if a product is of 500 rupees or if a product is of 100 rupees, so you will just pay the 50% of that. That is, if it is of 100, then you will pay $50. If it is of $500, so you'll pay only $250. Like this way it goes in a shopping discounts. You see sales, like in theater also, if you go, they say the 10% discount on each ticket. Like this way they, to attract the audience, like it's a sale marketing, you can say. And then exam marks. So now suppose if you have got 45 in an exam out of 50, so how much percentage you have got? So what you will do, you'll divide 45 with 50, and whatever answer you'll get, you'll multiply that with 100, so you'll get 90%. Then health reports. In health reports also you see 75% of body is a water, or a different way they show you the health report, that only 10% of hemoglobin is there. Like this way they make the health reports, and different ways are also there. Then bank interest, you will earn 5% on savings, you will get 10% interest. Like this way they, in bank also the percentages are of use. So like in our day-to-day life, every time we use percentages now. So like in, whenever we see a discount, we just rush towards that shop, right? So it's very very important. Now let's see how much we have understood from this topic, percentages. So let's see, test your understanding. So what they say, what is 30% of 200? Okay, so what do you think what it will be? So let's see what I will do. 30% it says, so I will write 30%, so divide by 100, of will go as multiplication, and 200. Okay, so this 0 will get cancelled out, this get cancelled out. I will have 30 and 2, so 30 multiplied by 2 is a 60, so my answer will be 60. Okay, now next, convert 0.6 to a percentage. So I have to convert decimal into a percentage. So what I will do, I will multiply this with 100. So multiply this with 100. So my decimal point will shift to the right side. How many times? 2 times. So 1 time and 1 more time. So my answer will be what? Will be 60. Okay. Now let's see the next one. If we have got 18 of 20 marks, 18 out of 20, what's your percentages? So we have solved this in the start. Let's solve one more time. 90%. 0 0 will get cancelled out. 2 1s are 2 9s are 18. 10 into 9 will be 90. So you have got 90%. Now next, what fractions equals 25%? Okay, what fractions equals 25%? So we have to find a fraction value. So what you will do, you will take 25 divided by 100. Now what you will do, you will simplify it. We want to answer in a fraction, so just simplify. So 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So 1 upon 4 is equals to 25%. I hope you have enjoyed today's learning, and it's a very easy and a very important topic. If you have not, then just go through uh, with the video slowly in a slow way, and then you will understand it in a very easy and a quick way. And I hope you have understood very well. See you in the next video, and in the next video I'll be showing you what is a percentage increase and percentage decrease. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have liked the video. Thank you so much. Happy learning.